Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade gold on PrimeXBT. First of all, you need to create yourself an account, and if you don't have any idea how to do that, I created one simple video called how to create an account on PrimeXBT, where I explained you in every single step how to create yourself an account. Then right now we are here on the chart, and this is the place where you need to be if you want to trade gold. Because what we're going to do from here is first of all select the account that you want to use. Now I'm using right here my paper trading account, demo account, and the account is already selected right here. So I click here and we are now here on the chart with the correct account. So step 2 is also fine. Then what we're going to do is we select right here at this symbol and we search here for gold. Then you will find right here gold price in a lot of currencies, but I want to pick gold to US dollars. So we click right there on gold to US dollars. And now we want to trade on gold. So with that, I mean, I want to create a position. Then what we're going to do is we can select right here the price or the ounces. Now I prefer always the price in USD. So let's say I want to buy for 200 US dollars gold. The only thing that I need to do right here is click on buy. We can also create a take profit or a stop loss if you want to do on risk management. But right now we click here on buy and then we do right here buy marked at. And now it says marked order failed, and you can find it back right here. So this is how you can trade gold right here in PrimeXBT. If you want to close your trade, click here on close and then do close position, and now we close your trade. So this is how it works. If you have a question about something about the gold or maybe a setting on PrimeXBT, comment it down below so I can help you out right there. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.